Hey, this is Emily from supplyhouse.com, and in this video, I'll talk about the SunTouch electric radiant heat mats. These mats are designed to provide safe and efficient electric floor warming for interior residential and moderate commercial applications. They're generally intended for installation below tile, stone, and other masonry flooring materials. SunTouch electric radiant heat mats are manufactured with a braided twin-wire design and shielded to reduce electromagnetic fields to very low levels. The power leads and heating elements are fully grounded from one end to the other and are reinforced with aramid fibers and ethylene tetrafluoroethylene insulation. The mats can be manipulated to fit any type of heating area, with rollovers, turns, and removing the mesh from the wire entirely to cover oddly shaped areas. The SunTouch system works with a floor sensing thermostat and a GFCI breaker if it's not already part of the thermostat. The mats come in 120 or 240 volts in 1, 2, and 3 foot widths and in sizes ranging from 10 square feet to 160 square feet. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.